Hi friends, so I wanted to get on here and just give a little self-care Sunday encouragement. So much of diet and lifestyle is about what you can get away with, and think about that like if you're a friend, if you're treating a friend like that, if you're treating a friend like, how much can I get away with in terms of this friendship? How would that go for your friendship? It wouldn't go well. It wouldn't be a lasting, sustainable friendship. So think about that in terms of your relationship with your body and with your inner self, that it's not about what you can get away with when it comes to food and lifestyle and, can I get away with not working out today, or am I going to gain weight, or can I get away with eating this donut or this bagel and not gain weight. It's not about making those choices out of fear or what you can get away with. Instead, if you catch yourself in that kind of mindset today, I encourage you to slow down, take a deep breath, or 3 or 5, and really get present with your body. You can even put your hand on your heart, like fully getting present, really bringing your awareness to right here, right now. And then you ask yourself this question: if I love myself, if I love my body and I'm thankful to be here in a body, what is the right choice? What is the choice that comes from love? And so, sometimes that means absolutely eat a donut, but don't eat that donut worrying about what's going to happen, if you're not allergic to it. Instead, you're eating that donut thinking, right now I just want some variety in the form of sugar, some variety in the form of my tongue dancing. And if that's what you want, and you are a person that has a negative reaction to a donut, then you can think, what is another way that I can give myself that variety stimulation? What's another way that I can meet that need? Because it's a real need. Variety is something that we need. And so really just get present with yourself and ask questions about what you can nourish yourself with, rather than making those choices out of scarcity. All right, if you needed this today, drop that in the comments. If you like this video, give it a share. And quick reminder that I have coming up on November 16th, I am kicking off a group program for my Love Your Body program, all about creating friendship with your body and creating a healthy relationship with the food that you eat that becomes your body. So if that's interesting to you and you want to know more, I put a ton of information about it in my cover photo caption. You can go get some questions answered there, and then always you can sign up for my free breakthrough call to have a one-on-one conversation with me about what it is that I do and how I can help you. And I am very ethical to a fault, I've been told. And so I will never try to sell you my program if I can't really help you. All right, so just sign up for that free conversation and we'll take it from there. Love and light to you guys. Happy Self-Care Sunday. Hope you're having fun.